Hi everyone, welcome to our Facebook page. Cut the tip of the earbud and make the flower. Color them. Now we are going to make the flower pot. So put the sticks on the side of the bottle cap, dab the flowers and it's ready. Here we are going to make small pieces and make the handles and leather shape as well and put it together and it's ready. We're going to make the wheels of the cart, so let's get started. First we're going to take a shape and make the circular ring. Now we're going to make the wheels similarly. Put the sticks together and put it at the bottom side of the cart and it's ready. We're going to cut small pieces and make the seat, legs of the chair. Put all of them together. You can paste them using hot glue gun and it's ready. So we're going to make this table using these bamboo sticks. Cut all of them. First we are going to cut small pieces and then we are going to make the legs, paste all of them together and look, it's ready. So we are going to use ice cream sticks. So paste all the ice creams together. First we are going to make the top portion. Now cut the extra part. Similar way make the legs and it's ready. Thank you so much for watching this video.